In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Windows 10 keyboard shortcuts. Customizing your keyboard shortcuts can significantly enhance your computing efficiency by allowing you to perform tasks quicker and tailor your workflow to better fit your needs. Whether you want to streamline your daily operations or access favorite programs at your fingertips, adjusting these settings provides a heightened level of personalization. Today we're going to take you through changing keyboard shortcuts with ease. First things first, you'll need to select the software or application for which you'd like to customize the keyboard shortcuts. This is important as different applications might need different key combinations depending on your personal usage patterns. Think about which software you use most often and where custom shortcuts would save you the most time. Now, with your chosen software, find its icon either on your desktop or within your start menu. Once located, right-click on the icon. This action will reveal a context menu, giving you several options to interact with the software. From the context menu, navigate toward the option that reads Properties. Clicking on this will open a new window where you'll be able to access more detailed settings and customization options. This step is crucial as it brings you closer to specifying the exact key combination you want to assign. Once you're inside the Properties window, look for a tab or section labeled Shortcut. This is the area where you can set and manage your keyboard shortcut settings. Here you'll notice a field for shortcut key. It might display none by default if it's unassigned, or a combination of keys if there's a shortcut already set. To designate your shortcut, click within the shortcut key field. You might feel a change in your cursor indicating it's ready to accept your command. Now input the key combination you want to use. Note that you should use a combination that doesn't conflict with an existing shortcut in the software unless you're sure you're okay with replacing it. For this, hold down the desired key simultaneously, such as Ctrl plus Alt plus desired key or any other combination that feels intuitive and easy for you to remember. Next, direct your attention to the Apply button located near the bottom of the window. Clicking it ensures your changes are temporarily saved and allows you to review if the shortcut works as required before finalizing it. Remember, it's always good to test out your new shortcut first to verify it's doing what you expect. Once satisfied with your new settings, click on OK to close the Properties window. This serves as the final step in committing your custom shortcut to the system. Congratulations, you've successfully customized your keyboard shortcut for your software on Windows 10. Feel free to repeat these steps for any other applications you'd like to optimize with new shortcuts. Remember, the goal is efficiency, so select combinations that are both comfortable and memorable for you to use.